Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. India is known for its diverse natural resources. There are many resources out of which water bodies have a significant hold on the scenic beauty of our country. Lakes are one of the major sources of natural beauty in India, and there are many lakes in almost every state. From Kashmir to Kerala, the land is filled with numerous lakes. Most of the lakes in the country are freshwater lakes. However, you can find numerous salt lakes, brackish water lakes, and other types of lakes here. Here are the top 10 largest lakes in India. Number 10 on the list is Vular Lake. Vular Lake, location Jammu and Kashmir, type freshwater, square area 260 square kilometer, depth 14 meter. Vular Lake, also spelled Vular, is one of the largest freshwater lakes in Asia. It is sited in Bandipora district in Jammu Kashmir. The lake basin was formed as a result of tectonic activity is fed by the Jhelum River. In addition, much of the lake has been drained as a result of willow plantation being built on the shore in the 1950s. Apart from the natural beauty, this lake is famous for its rich population of terrestrial birds like Himalayan monal, common cuckoo, Himalayan woodpecker, golden oriole, rocktail, and others. You can find numerous water sports including water skiing and boating in the lake. Ninth is Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake, location Manipur, type freshwater, square area 287 square kilometer, depth 4.6. Loktak Lake is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India and is famous for the Phumdi's heterogeneous mass of vegetation, soil and organic matter at various stages of decomposition floating over it. The lake is located at Moirang in Manipur state, India. The etymology of Loktak is Lok means stream and Tak the end. Kebul Lamjao National Park is the only floating national park in the world. The park is the last natural refuge on the endangered Sangai state animal. Recurvus LDLD or Manipur brown-entered deer, one of 3 subspecies of LDers. Next is Nagarjuna Sagar Lake. Nagarjuna Sagar Lake, location Telangana, type artificial and freshwater, square area 285 square kilometer. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is a masonry dam across the Krishna River at Nagarjuna Sagar, which straddles the border between Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh and Naldona district, Telangana. Constructed between 1955 and 1967, this lake is made by the world's largest masonry dam. This dam was created as a project for green revolution of the country and for hydroelectricity production. Today it is an important weekend getaway spot from Hyderabad. Boating and picnic are the important activities to enjoy here. Itapotla Falls, closer to Andhra Pradesh, is also an important attraction near the lake. Next on the list is Sardar Sarovar Lake. Sardar Sarovar Lake, location Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, type artificial and freshwater, square area of 375 square kilometer and depth 140 meter. This lake is made by a dam along the river Narmada. You can find a few temples and monuments around the region. However, the best of all attraction is located in the Gujarat side of this lake. The world's tallest Statue of Unity is located closer to the lake. Thanks to the statue, you can find many retreat spots and luxury elements around the lake. Many water sports are said to be under development like paragliding, trekking, boating, river rafting and others. Number 6 on the list is Pulicat Lake. Pulicat Lake, location Andhra Pradesh, type brackish, square meter of 450 square meter, depth 10 meter. This is the second largest brackish lagoon in the country. It lies in both Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The regions of the lagoon in Tamil Nadu are dedicated mostly to fishing activities. This shallow lake is quite famous among bird watchers. During autumn and spring, thousands of birds reach this lake. More than 115 species of birds can be found in this region. This is the best spot to find greater flamingo, spoonbills, kingfishers, ducks and others. You can find many resorts closer to Pulicat Lake for those who are in for a famous location time. Now it was easier to explore the villages around Pulicat Lake, thanks to Motorable Road project. Fifth on the list is Pangong Lake. Pangong Lake, location Ladakh, type saline, square area of 700 square kilometer, depth 100 meter. This lake runs from India to China. More than 60% of the lake lies in China. During the peak winter, this lake freezes and thus it is best to visit the lake between May and September. The bank of this lake are clinch camping spots in the state. You can spot many migration birds too. The lake changes its color throughout the day based on the position of sun on the sky. Pangong Tso or Pangong Lake is an endorheic lake in the Himalayas. During winter, the lake freezes completely. Despite being saline water, it is not a part of Indus River Basin area and geographically a separate landlocked river basin, the highest saltwater lake in the world. Next is, fourth is Indra Sagar Lake, location Madhya Pradesh, type artificial and freshwater, square area of 627 square kilometer. This lake was made by damming river Narmada. Today it is the second largest power source in the country and provides the surrounding villages with water for irrigation. Khandwa is the nearest place to this dam. Next on the list is Shivaji Sagar Lake, also known as Shiv Sagar Lake. Shivaji Sagar Lake, location Maharashtra, type artificial and freshwater, square area of 891.7 square kilometer, depth around 80 meter. This lake is also called as Shiv Sagar Lake and was formed by damming the Koyana River. The lake provides a grand view of those who look for a picnic spot. Apart from this water source does not have any tourism activities. Second on the list is Chilika Lake. Chilika Lake, location Odisha, type brackish, square area around 1165 square kilometer, depth 4.2 meter. Around 52 streams create this large lake, making it the largest coastal lagoon of the country and the second largest in the world. During winter season, the land becomes the breeding ground for the migration birds. 132 and more villages rely on this lake for fishing. Main attraction in the lake is Nalaban Island, which is declared as a bird sanctuary. Apart from this, you will find Pecan Island, Breakfast Island, Honeymoon Island, Birds Island, Parikud and others. You can spot dolphins, enjoy scenic vacations, spot some monuments and take a tour through the lake on a boat. First on the list is Vembanar Lake. Vembanar Lake, location Kerala, type brackish and freshwater, square area around 2,033 square kilometer, depth 12 meter. This lake is located in 3 different districts of the state. This lake also shows the popular destination Kumarakom. This lake is famous for backwater houseboating, bird watching, photography and others. The famous snake boat race, Nehru Trophy boat race, is conducted in the main part of the lake. This year the government has made plans to start a league for boat race like IPL for cricket. If you visit during the winter season, you can find numerous migration birds in and around this lake.